My name is Cecilia. I work for AgroCares as a support officer and project coordinator, and today we're going to show you how to carry out a successful unboxing of the scanner when it arrives to your home or to your office. Let's open it. So, this is how you should receive it. We have a black tray that is pulled up by these two Velcro strips. This tray is used to analyze feed or soil. Then we have scanner quick reference card, a sampling cup where you can analyze your soil, and a cleaning set which consists of a brush and a cloth. Here we have the scanner. We have also the calibration cup with the yellow side and the white side. And we have the adapter. And the charging cable. The first thing you need to do when you receive the scanner is to charge it for about 3 hours. To do so, you need to connect the charging cable to the adapter. And later on, connect it to the scanner. The scanner has a cover. For this, you need to lift it up and connect it. Don't forget to connect this to the plug.